In this video, I will guide you through the simple and efficient process of creating a professional certificate using the built-in templates found right inside CorelDRAW. Designing something from scratch can be a very time-consuming task, but using a pre-made layout allows you to achieve high-quality results in just a few minutes of your time. To get started with this project, you first need to launch the CorelDRAW application on your computer and wait for the workspace to load up completely. Once you are on the main screen, move your cursor up to the top menu bar and click on the File menu. From the drawdown options that appear, you want to select the one that says New from Template. This action will open up a dedicated template browser window where you can explore a wide variety of design categories. Now, take a look at the sidebar on the left side of the window to find the right category for your project. You should look for a folder specifically labeled as Certificates or Diplomas. If you find that you cannot see those categories right away, do not worry at all. You can simply use the search bar located at the top of the browser window and type in the word certificate to pull up all the relevant options available to you. Spend a moment browsing through the different layouts to see which one fits your needs best. You will notice that these templates usually feature classic elements like elegant galoche borders, formal script headings for the title, and dedicated lines for official signatures. When you have found the perfect design for your needs, just click the Open button. CorelDRAW will immediately load a fresh and unedited copy of that layout directly onto your workspace. From here, you are completely free to customize the text and colors to finish your award.